Hello everyone, a warm greetings to the evaluation panel and my dear friends. My name is Akshat Sunil Jain, currently working as a clinical data scientist, and I'm from India. And today I will be taking you through my project, a multi agent AI system that provides real time pharmaceutical competitive intelligence by orchestrating 27 live data sources through 6 specialist AI agents, and it is named as HCIS, that is Health Competitive Intelligence System. So I have developed this vibe coding project with the help of anti-gravity. So I will take you through my projects. So you can see this is my development panel. And as we know that pharmaceutical companies spend over 2 billion annually on competitive intelligence. A single analyst literally takes 2 to 3 weeks to produce one competitive landscape report by manually searching out clinical trials, reading FDA labels, scanning patent databases, and analyzing SEC filing and reviewing thousands of PubMed papers. By the time the report is done, the data is already stale. What if? What if an AI agent system could do all of this in literally 90 seconds, pulling live data from 27 free public APIs and producing $1 billion quality intelligence reports? So I will take you through my agents. So this is HCIS UI, and it's look like a chat GPT. It has an interface of chat GPT where you can add the session, delete the session, and this is the query box. And you have an option to either get an executive brief, to deep dive into the topic, to get the patent claim, KOL map, and pipeline tracker. So this is the query box. So, why agents? So, the problem is uniquely suited for AI agents because it requires parallel expertise across 6 completely different intelligence domains. A single LLM prompt can't do this. You need specialized agents that understand clinical trial design, patent law, SCEC filing language, pharmacoeconomics, and academic publishing, each querying different APIs with different specific logic. HCIS, my system uses 6 specialist agents that works in parallel, not sequentially. Pipeline Scout searches clinical trials and Campbell, Patent Sentinel queries lens.org and EPO, Market Radar scans SEEC, EDGAR filings, and Google News. Each agent is an expert in its domain. Then comes the report forge, our synthesis and master agent, which cross references all their output to produce a unified intelligence package with wargaming scenarios and an executive decision matrix. And this is the power I was talking about of multi agent orchestration, parallel expertise that no single model could replicate. Let's walk through this architecture. When you will submit a query, like I will type a query, GLP 1 receptor agonist competitive landscape, and submit the query for executive brief. HCIS orchestrator first runs it through a VIGIL guardrail agent to validate the query. Then it dispatches the query to 6 specialist agents in parallel using asyncio Python library. Each agent has 3 layers: a MCP data layer that calls live APIs, a formatter layer that converts raw API data into structured markdown tables, and LLM reasoning powered by Amazon Bedrock Nova Pro that analyzes the data. All 6 agents, as you can see, run simultaneously. Pipeline Scout queries, clinical trials, and Campbell. Patent Sentinel searches lens.org and EPO. Market Radar scans SEC, EDGAR filing. Regulatory Oracle checks OpenFDA and Delimed, and KOL Mapper searches PubMed and OpenAlex, and HEOR analysts find cost effectiveness studies. Finally, the report falls, as you can see, is synthesizing all 6 outputs into a comprehensive intelligence package with an executive summary, data tables, wargaming scenarios, and an executive decision matrix. And this entire pipeline runs under 2 minutes, as you will see the magic now. See the output. This is the executive summary, clinical pipeline intelligence with the table, POTS analysis for the lead assets, MOA clustering, timeline to market for frontrunners, regulatory landscape, label analysis highlight, intellectual property landscape. As you can see, so much rich data and the rich output, market and competitive dynamics, all you got in under 1 minute. The backend is Python with Flask using asyncio for parallel agent orchestration. We use Amazon Bedrock with Nova Pro as our LLM, chosen for its strong instruction following and long context synthesis capabilities. The 27 data sources are all free public APIs, clinical trial, OpenFDA, PubMed, Lens.org, EPO, Open Patent Service, SEC filings, OpenLX, Campbell, Keck pathways, wiki pathways, and more. No paid API keys are required. The front end is ChatGPT style interface built with vanilla HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with session management, real time agent status tracking, and markdown rendering. Each specialist agent has a carefully engineered prompt that forces it to extract every specific data point from the live data, no placeholders, no generic summaries. The entire system is open source and runs locally. Thank you so much for watching this.